In today's video, I'm gonna give honest review about MRPeasy. So we'll explore how this software could be the key to unlock greater efficiency in your manufacturing business. So to get started, what is MRPeasy? MRPeasy is a manufacturing software app, a simple MRP system. It helps small companies plan making things and tracking part inventory management. It creates a production schedule and can integrate with other programs like your accounting ERP. It has many features, things like a functionality. You can see how long it takes to get parts, lead time, and what's happening now in real time. So talking about this, here are the key top benefit about this platform called MRP Easy. Here are some key advantages of using the MRP Easy, which is the streamlined procurement, which help you get clearer overview of your purchasing needs, making a procurement faster and more efficient, together with the enhanced inventory control and a process automation. Automate repetitive tasks in your workflow, saving times and improving your accuracy, together with the a seamless integration. We hope you enjoy the seamless connection with other essential tools like Zero for accounting, even platforms like Ado. So that's it. We're talking about the best features of this platform. MRP Easy stands out with its powerful yet intuitive features designed for specific the needs of small to medium sized manufacturer. So let's explore some of the key functionalities that makes it a top choice for boosting efficiency. We have this one of the list, which is custom order management, together with the Gantt chart and a manufacturing order control, together with the master planning and production schedule optimization. So talking about the pricing plan, they offer a different pricing plan to fit various business needs, and here are some options for that. So we have the free, we have four pricing plan right here on this platform. We have the starter, we have the professional, we also have the enterprise, and we have the ultimate. And each of these has their price range together with the key features. So if you want more information about the pricing plan, I can just get back to the website to get more information about the MRP Easy. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI website. Thank you.